second important element of a modern nation state is territory. And territory here means a fixed territory with demarcation of boundaries of that state. Then it could be called as a modern nation state. And every modern nation state regarding territory, they have their respective territorial waters and also their limits of nautical miles regarding high seas. So also every modern nation state in its territory includes all land mass, airspace, all the compact and scattered areas situated within that state. Here, compact areas or scattered areas could be clarified as, for example, India. The mainland of India could be considered as a compact area, and the scattered areas of Indian territory are the Andaman Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island. And there is an important requirement is that besides territorial water, the inland water source and the hills, the mountains and the land constituting all rivers, etc., they comes within the territorial jurisdiction of a state. So, besides that, there is an important requirement for a modern state is that there must be always a balance and equilibrium between the population and territory of that state. And here it means that the population should not be large enough regarding its territorial jurisdiction. If there would be not a balance and an equilibrium between the population and territory of that state, it would cause its economic imbalance, and also it would be very difficult to govern such a state politically and also regarding strategically. So the very requirement is that there must be a balance between the population and the territory of a state under its occupation. Besides territory, our number 3 at the third element of a modern state is government. And what is government? Now, it is a machinery of state, and also it is an agency or an organ of the state. So a state's will is always expressed and enforced by the government, and such government or agency or machinery or organ of the state, it formulates public policies, so also it builds up system of rules and regulations, and also providing legal framework for the community. So the government, which is the third element of a state, is otherwise an agency or a machinery of the state, is always expressed and enforced the state's will. It means it will make law, rules, regulations, and also frame public policies, or it will build such a system that where a particular legal framework would work for the entire community and for the state itself.